who served the prophet in the years. And served the prophet God and years. And he never said to me, did he say why? Do this, but then he did not do this. This details everything is patient. My dear friends, coming to the prophet, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is not singing or celebrating birthday. What loving is, following the sunnah. My dear friends, Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is not a man from his time. He made a promise to them. Let's try to do one sunnah of this every day. Let's try to make a better life.
ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് കഴിഞ്ഞ് ഇത് കാണുന്നത് എപ്പോഴാണ് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ്
Give the tawfiq for